Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am presenting a delicious and finger-licking good prawn stir-fry recipe with an extra richness of fresh mint leaves, goes well with bread, parathas or any rice items. Ingredients: 1 kilogram prawns peeled and deveined with tails kept. Add 1.5 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons lemon juice. Mix well, then set aside for 30 minutes. One bunch of mint, separate the leaves and chop roughly. 2 tablespoons of oil, use any vegetable oil other than coconut oil as recommended. Transfer the marinated prawns into a pan and add 1/4 cup of water. Mix well, then cover with a lid and cook for 3 minutes on medium flame. If you are using a non-stick pan, no need to add water. While cooking prawns, it will release some amount of water sufficient enough to cook by itself. Open the lid and mix well. Cook on medium flame for another 2 more minutes. Check if there is any water left and the tails of the prawn turn bright red. The color change tells if the prawn is cooked enough. If it is not red enough, it is probably not cooked enough. If so, add a tablespoon of water, then cover and cook for another 1 minute on low flame. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and chopped mint leaves, then mix well. Mix periodically and cook for another 1 more minute on low flame. Taste check for salt and add if needed. Do not overcook prawns. It will become rubbery. Now it's ready to serve. Serve hot. If you like watching this video, don't forget to like, share, drop a comment below, and please subscribe, then enable the notification to all by tapping the bell icon so that you don't miss my new recipe every week. Thank you for watching my video.